Yeah, I thought I'd just share this with you guys. If you have a lot of, if you're having trouble with stalling, hesitation, rough idle, poor unstable idle, the factory service manual calls for using a top engine cleaner to clean out all the carbon. You had a lot of carbon built up in this engine. Now, I don't like recommending different products to people because I don't know, what you put in your car. It's kind of your business. But I used CRC top engine cleaner in the last 3 years on this car, and I've also used Seafoam engine cleaner, and I have to tell you, it did help. It did help smooth out the idle, but you got to run it. I put it in the crankcase. I followed the directions first of all. I put it in the crankcase, and I also put it in the fuel tank. And of course, you'd have to run through a tank of fuel, and you'd also have to. Probably wouldn't be a bad idea to go through at least one oil change. I did, but I don't have a problem changing the oil. Once a year. It's just something I do. Trying to get the engine cleaned out. But I thought I'd pass this along to you guys. It references using a top engine cleaner probably 4 times, and I'll put the factory service manual page numbers on the video here. But yeah, I had a lot of soot and exhaust fumes, odor coming out the exhaust. So again, I'll be honest with you, it did help. It did help a lot. So just a heads up, you can give it a try.